11th Science Subject Mathematics and Statistics Part 1st Chapter number 1 Angle and its Measurement. Dear students, we are going to study examples on angles of the quadrilateral. Example number 21. One angle of the quadrilateral is 2 pi divided by 9 radian and the measure of the other three angles are in the ratio 3:5:8. Find their measures in degrees. Here we have to given the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has one angle 2 pi divided by 9 in radian. For simplification, convert it into degree. Also, other three angles are in the ratio 3:5:8. Suppose k is a constant multiple, then these angles are 3k, 5k, 8k. We know that sum of the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Use these results and find the angles in degrees. Solution. The sum of the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. One of the angle is given to be 2 pi divided by 9 radian. Here is one angle. For simplification, convert it into degree. Multiply this term 2 pi divided by 9 by 180 divided by pi. Pi cancel. 9 into 2 18. Here is 20. 20 into 2 40. Here is 40 degree. Sum of the remaining three angles is. Here one angle is given 40 degree. Then three angles remain. We know that sum of all angles is 360. Therefore, sum of remaining angles is 360 degree minus 40 degree equal to 320 degree. Since these three angles are in the ratio 3:5:8, here is given. There are three angles. Suppose k is a constant multiple, then degree measure of these angles are 3k, 5k, 8k, where k is a constant. Then 3k plus 5k plus 8k equal to 320 degree. Here is sum of the remaining three angles. 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. Here is k, therefore 16k equal to 320 degree. Divide by 16 on RHS, we get k equal to 20 degree. Therefore, the measures of the three angles are 3k degree, here is 3k. Put the value of k is 20, therefore 3 into 20 equal to 60 degree. Second angle is 5k. 5 into 20 equal to 100 degree. Third angle is 8k degree. 8 into 20, put the value of k. 8 into 20 is 160 degree. Therefore, these three remaining angles in degrees are 60 degree, 100 degree and 160 degree. Example number 22. In cyclic quadrilateral, two adjacent angles are 40 degree and pi divided by 3 radian. Find the angles of the quadrilateral in degree. We know that here is cyclic quadrilateral. Here is cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Two adjacent angles are 40 degree and pi by 3. Suppose here is A 40 degree and B pi by 3. Here is adjacent angles. Given first is 40 degree, second is pi by 3 radian. Find the angles of the quadrilateral in degrees. Then we have find the angles of the quadrilateral in degrees. Here given two angles. We have to find these two angles, angles C and D. We know that cyclic quadrilateral means addition of opposite angles are 180 degree. Means angle A plus angle C is 180 degree. Here we have to give one angle. Using the property, we find angle C. Also, sum of the opposite angles is 180 degree. Means angle B and angle D is 180 degree. Here is given one angle, that is pi by 3. Convert it into radian. And addition of these two angles is 180 degree. Then find the angle D. Solution. We know that 1 radian equal to 180 divided by pi degree. Here is one angle given in radian. Convert it into degrees. Pi by 3 radian. Convert into degree. Multiply by 180 divided by pi. Therefore, pi by 3 into 180 divided by pi. Pi cancel. 3 into 6 is 18. Here is 60, therefore 60 degree. Let ABCD be a cyclic quadrilateral. Here is ABCD cyclic quadrilateral. We have to give two adjacent angles. One is 40 degree, second is pi by 3 radian. Suppose measure of angle A is 40 degree. Also measure of angle B equal to pi by 3 radian equal to 60 degree. These two adjacent angles. One is 40 degree, second is 60 degree. We have to find these two angles. Suppose measure of angle C equal to x degree and measure of angle D equal to y degree. Here is suppose this angle is x degree and D angle is y degree. We know that sum of each pair of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Therefore, we get measure of angle A plus measure of angle C is 180 degree. Here is addition of these two angles is 180. Also, measure of angle B plus measure of angle D equal to 180 degree. Also, addition of these two angles is 180 degree. Use this result. Put the value of A, that is 40 degree. Measure of angle C, x degree equal to 180 degree. We have to find x degree. 40 degree take on RHS, then 180 degree minus 40 degree. Therefore, x degree equal to 140 degree. Also, measure of angle B is 60 degree. Here is measure of angle D is y degree. 60 degree plus y degree equal to 180 degree. 60 degree take on RHS, then y degree equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree equal to 120 degree. Here is the angles of the cyclic quadrilateral are 40 degree, 60 degree, 140 degree and 120 degree. Example number 23. One angle of a quadrilateral has measured 2 pi divided by 5 radian, and the measures of the other three angles are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find their measures in degrees and in radian. Here we have to given one angle of the quadrilateral is 2 pi divided by 5 radian. Convert it into degrees. Also, the other three angles are in the ratio 2:3:4. Suppose k is a constant multiple, then these angles are 2k, 3k, 4k. We know that sum of the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. Use this result, find the value of k, then find these three angles. Solution. One of the angles is given to be 2 pi divided by 5 radian. Convert it into degree, multiply 2 pi divided by 5 by 180 divided by pi. Pi cancel, 180 divided by pi. 5 into 3 is 15. Then 3 is remaining 30. 5 into 6 is 30. 36 multiplied by 2 is 72 degree. Hence one given angle is 72 degree. Since the other three angles are in the ratio 2:3:4, here is given. Let these angles be 2k, 3k, 4k in degrees, as k is a constant multiple. Since sum of the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree, therefore put the values of all angles. 72 degree plus 2k plus 3k plus 4k equal to 360 degree. Here is 2k plus 3k, 5k plus 4k, 9k equal to 360 degree. 72 degree take on RHS, then minus 72 degree. Here is subtraction, 360 degree minus 72 degree equal to 288 degree. We find the value of k equal to 288 degree divided by 9. We get k equal to 32 degree. Put the values of k in these angles, then the angle 2k equal to 2 into 32 degree equal to 64 degree. Other angle 3k equal to 3 into 32 degree equal to 96 degree. Also 4k equal to 4 into 32 degree equal to 128 degree. Find these angles in degrees and radians. Here we get these three angles in degrees: 64 degree, 96 degree, 128 degree. Convert it into radian. Now we know that 1 degree equal to pi divided by 180 radian. Therefore 64 degree equal to 64 into pi divided by 180 radian. Simplifying, we get 16 pi divided by 45 radian. The other angle is 96 degree. Convert it into radian, multiply by pi divided by 180. Simplifying, we get 8 pi divided by 15 radian. Then 128 degree equal to 128 into pi divided by 180 radian equal to 32 pi radian divided by 45. Hence the angles of the quadrilaterals are 72 degree, 64 degree, 96 degree and 128 degree, or in radians 2 pi divided by 5, 16 pi divided by 45, 8 pi divided by 15, 32 pi divided by 45. Thank you.